Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the jailbreak from your device. Now this can be useful for many reasons, whether you're taking your device to repair at an Apple store, because as we know you can't take a device that's jailbroken or else your warranty will be voided. So you can remove your jailbreak with this process in case you need to do that, or maybe your device is just having a lot of issues with the latest jailbreaks. Now this is going to support 11.3 all the way up to 11.4 beta 3, which is the new Electra jailbreak, and this is going to be on device. You don't need a computer, and this will not update your device either, so you can re-jailbreak your device in the future as well if you wish to do so. So let's begin. Now the first thing you want to do, of course, is head on over to Cydia, and inside of Cydia you want to search for Semi Restore 11. Okay, this is going to be the package that we need to install it directly from Cydia. You don't need to add any sources or anything like that. It's a really fast process, and again, it won't update your device. You can re-jailbreak it again in the future, and it's just amazing. It's an awesome package to have installed on your device because it just does that. It reminds me of Cydia Eraser from back in the day. It's pretty similar to that. Let's go ahead and wait for the installation, and I'm going to show you what it can do here, how fast it can unjailbreak your device. So there is the icon right there. It is as simple as just tapping unjailbreak your device. It tells you here that it's going to erase all data from your device. So just simply hit that, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Let's go ahead and wait for the process to complete, and your device will be completely clean, still running the same software, no computer, easy and free. Okay, so we're about 3.5 to 4 minutes into the process. This process is relatively fast. It's right on device. You can see there the iPhone is getting ready to boot up. Once it reboots, it's going to be completely wiped clean. You can reinstall everything you need. You can go through the setup process here, and your device is brand new, just like factory settings. Now keep in mind that you do want to save all your data before you do this, because as you see, the device is completely wiped clean. So make sure you do that. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. The process has been completed. Go ahead and show you I'm running iOS 11.4 beta 3. You saw the pop-up there. So I can re-jailbreak my device, and that is how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.